Fasten the remaining hinge housing screws, beginning with the top round hole. You should have at least 15 screws in total per hinge housing. Take your 5-in-1 tool to remove the top temporary hinge block. Insert the top of the full-height hinge block into the hinge housing and tap it gently with a mallet to snap it into place. Use the same 5-in-1 tool to remove the bottom temporary hinge block. Insert the rest of the full hinge block into the hinge housing and use the rubber mallet to secure it. Repeat the previous steps to secure the remaining screws on the second hinge housing and install the full hinge block.